Welcome everybody. This is going to be a little review of a UltraLoq that I've had for a little over 3 months now. First installed it. Well, first I looked it up online, saw this one had actually really good reviews, and I thought, you know what the heck, I want to make my life a little bit easier. I'm going to go ahead and throw down the coin and get one. Installed, real easy. Did the whole downloading of the app, worked perfectly fine. Then about a month ago happened. Now I'm in the boat where this thing will not work at all, other than the old $15 old school mechanical lock. Works fine like that. But I didn't pay for that. I dropped the 200 and some odd dollars on something that's supposed to work like this. So here we go. Go to the app. I have reset this thing multiple times and downloaded and deleted and downloaded the app, reinstalled it to get this. This is what it keeps doing. So it's showing it's locked. It is obviously not locked. Click it again. Nothing. Now it says it's open. Go to the back side. Here we go again. Door is locked. Door is open. Door is locked. Door is open. Door is locked. It does this, and then eventually, once I pull the batteries, add new batteries, and download the app and remove this thing, it'll bind. It'll say Deadbolt is jammed. Now, I'm doing this because I figured, okay, no big deal. It's not that old. I have all my particulars in order. Just contact the company and see what can be done. Try calling them. Good luck with that. They don't answer the phone. They do not return phone calls either when you leave them a message. Found that out. So, went online, filled out their little questionnaire that had the serial number and everything particular to this lock that I purchased. And been emailing back and forth with somebody. And every time I've gotten an email from them, it's basically a copy-paste from their troubleshooting guide online. Something that I went through before I even made the attempt to contact them. Seemed prudent. Every time I contact them, I get the same response. Now it's to the point where they wanted a video of me turning the lock. Honestly, people, do yourself a favor. If you're wanting one of these smart locks, go to Lowe's, go to Home Depot, go to Menards, wherever. Buy a Schlade, buy whatever name brand they got there, deal local. Because this has been nothing but a nightmare. I have basically dealt with a month worth of a lock that's 200 and some odd dollars, and it works just like the $15 dollar store lock. So, my 2 cents, it's not worth it. Through both the cost of this thing and the customer service that does not respond until after 10 o'clock at night via email. The responses I've gotten from them have been at 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and 3 o'clock in the morning. Do yourself a favor. Go to a local store. Buy something there. So that way, if for some reason it does mess up, you can go back and negotiate with whoever is at the store. Hope nobody else has to deal with this.